Alright, so it's like 7 a.m. on Thursday morning, and I'm going to change the spark plugs in this 2019 Chevy Silverado. It's got a bad misfire. I'm hoping that spark plugs is all that's wrong with it. But we're going to start with the spark plugs and go from there. So I'm going to kind of guide y'all through it. I'm starting on the rough side first because there's a spark plug. I'll show y'all here in just a second. Let's roll the intro. There's the number 8 spark plug. It's on the passenger side, and it's going to be a pain to get to, so I'm going to start out on the hard side first and then go to the easy side. I'll show y'all the easy side, which is the driver's side. Alright, now as you can see, the driver's side's fairly easy to get to. I might even be able to change it without having to take the wheel and stuff off. But we're going to see what we can do. I'm hoping just to take the wheel off and just do it quick as possible. So let's get into this project. Alright, so in the first part of this video, I started out telling y'all I was fixing the truck before I had to go to work today. Alright, well, when my day started, which was like 7 o'clock this morning, I had to go get some rest because I got to do a forklift certification test this afternoon. That's just side note for work, but I'll let y'all know what's going on. Alright, so I went to jack the truck up, take the wheel off the passenger side, and my jack broke. So I'm going to be going to Harbor Freight tomorrow and buy me a new jack. And while I was changing, I did get the plugs changed on the driver's side of the truck, but I broke 2 plug wires. I had to steal parts off the old blowed up Project Monte Carlo. I'm going to go tomorrow and buy new plug wires. So this is kind of an interlude to the finish of the video. This is like a midway point. So if you're sticking around and you're actually watching this video, hopefully with any luck, I put the new plug wires and finish the passenger side of the truck. I gotta limp it to work tonight and then back home after my forklift test. And hopefully after all this, I poured some Marvel Mystery Oil in the truck too, just in case I had a stuck lifter, hoping that maybe, just maybe, that will fix it. If it is, if it's not, I don't even want to even think about that right now. And I poured some seafoam down the gas tank. Fuel injector cleaner stuff to kind of maybe help it, just in case I bought some bad gas, cause we drove to Level Cross, North Carolina last week, and I don't know, maybe I bought some bad gas or something somewhere. You never know on a long road trip. But this is the interlude. Stick around for the rest of the video. If you made it this far, could you slam the like button for me, because I have had a crappy day. Alright, so we went to O'Reilly this morning. I grabbed some new plug wires. I've got this side completely done. This is the easy side. My wheel's stuck on the driver's side, or passenger side. I can't get it to even come off. I've hooked a lawnmower to it and tried to jerk the damn thing off, and I still can't get it to break loose. So hopefully within the next clip, maybe at least you'll see me with the passenger side wheel off this thing and getting access to the other plugs and wires. And hopefully that'll fix it. That's my prayer anyway. Alright, so right now I've got 2 out of the 4. I still gotta get the one on the very back and the one on the very front changed out. And get the inner fender back in it and the lug nuts back on it. The wheel never did come off. But it's about 1,000 degrees out here today, or it feels like it. And I'm hoping that this fixes the truck. I'm hoping it's not a stuck lifter, but I guess we'll just see. Alright, so right now we have number 7 out of 8 done. I've got this one right here on the very front left to do. I'm going to tell you right now, it's about 100 degrees out here. And I'm whooped. I'm having to work around my tire because the tire and wheel won't come off the truck. I've had to take the inner fender off. I had a jack break on me yesterday, so I bought a new jack today. It's been an epic fail on everything that I've touched. It seems like the last on this truck. I'm just hoping this fixes it. So I'll do number 7 here in a little bit. I gotta cool off a little bit. Then I'll come back out here and hit it and hopefully the truck will be in better shape after this. But they were original spark plugs and wires, and it's got like 98,000 miles on it, and I had an 0307 code. I'm hoping that it's the spark plugs and wires and not anything major. Alright, well, I got it all done finally. Fired it up. It's still got a misfire, so I believe I've got a collapsed lifter. So that's gonna be even more fun. And I don't even know if it may have destroyed the camshaft and it may have screwed the motor. I don't know. At this point, I'm just like, lost and disappointed. So the only way I know to conclude this video is it's been rough, and looks like it's just gonna keep being a rougher progress. I'll keep y'all posted on whatever happens with the truck whenever I get the money to do whatever I can do with it. But I'm gonna slap an inner fender on it and slap a wheel back on it, and it'll be what it is. So catch you in the next video.